missing someone. Love with all your heart.
Hello guys, and welcome back to another video on my channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make the aesthetically pleasing intro for your YouTube channel. An example was my intro at the beginning of the video. Today we're going to be learning how to do that, but before we start the video, make sure to drop a like, subscribe, and turn notifications to be notified each time I post a video. Now let's get right into it. Right now I am in the app Phonto. Phonto is a free app. It has really good fonts and all that, so I'm just gonna be going over it. So the first thing you want to do once you're in the app is press the little camera at the bottom. Then you're gonna press plain image. Then you're gonna press like the black or white. I'm gonna press the white, and then you want to make that landscape like the long way. So you're gonna look for the landscape for the phone you're editing on. So I'm gonna be using for the 6S right there, and then once you're done with that, you're gonna go ahead and press color at the bottom right here, and here you can choose the color you want your intro to be with the text. So it has to be a solid color in order for it to look good. So I'm gonna choose blue because I'm just gonna do a random intro. So let's apply that and then go ahead and go with that. We're gonna use it first. You're gonna press the export button at the top and then just press use. So once you are done with that, you're gonna go ahead and add the text. So this is where it comes in handy. So basically you want the Keep On Trucking font, which is this font right here. Again, this does not come with the app, so I'm going to be showing you guys how to download it in order for it to be in the app and you can use it for your intro. The first thing you're going to do is go into Safari or any web browser you have. So first we're going to do that. So you're going to go ahead and search up thefont.com. So then you're going to enter that, and then you're in the website. So then you're going to go ahead and zoom in to the top part right here, and then search Keep On Trucking. So this is what you have to type in order to have the aesthetically pleasing font. And this would be the font. Then you would go ahead and press download, and then you would press download. And then once you have it downloaded, you would press on the top. This is mostly for Safari, but I don't know how to do it with other web browsers, but you will have to do this in any way your web browser does it. You're going to go ahead and press on the thing you just downloaded, and it will take you to downloads. So then you would press on it, you would select it, and then you would select it. Once you are done selecting it, you would go to the bottom and press the little export button next to the plus sign. So you're gonna go ahead and press that, and then you would press more on these apps. So you would go ahead and press more, and then Phonto would be right here. So you would press copy to Phonto, and it would take you to Phonto, and it would automatically download it so then you can use it. Okay, so once you're done downloading it, you would put your channel name. So I'm gonna put my channel name right there. And if you want, you can change the color and style. It's really basic. So I'm gonna go ahead and make it as big as you want it to be in your intro. Again, there's gonna be your main intro kind of look. So you would just put it in the center, as so. So then you would also want to press style, and you would style it you could add strokes to it, make it have a style to it. You could add shadows to it. Okay, that looks bad. You could add shadows to it. Let me just take away the stroke. Okay, so you could add shadows to it. You would go to shadow and press alpha, and then you would have it, and then you could change the precision of it, how blurry you want it to be. I don't like it blurry because just doesn't look good for me because like the blurry, but any way could look good. So I'm just gonna go for the basic white and the shadow. So once you are done with that, you're gonna go ahead and center it. It's gonna be kind of hard since like it's kind of hard to center. So right there, kind of hard because it doesn't have a graph or anything, but I think that's good enough. So then you would press the export button at the bottom and then just save the image. Okay, but I forgot to do this at the start. You would want to delete the text because you just want to save this in order for it to like when the intro starts the text would pop up. So you can just save the color of your background real quick. And then you would do the same and add subscribe if you want to add like a subscribe at the end of the intro, just like my intro. So you're just going to do the same steps, except like just since you already have the background saved, all you're going to do is save and customize the subscribe. So yeah, I'll be showing you guys the pictures when I'm done. Okay guys, so right after you have used Phonto, these should be the images you should have, like your titles, your title YouTube name image, the blank background image, it has to be the same color as the other image, and your subscribe image. So the next step is music and wavy text in order to make this wavy. So I'm gonna be showing you guys how to do it, but I am gonna use Videostar. So if you want to know how to do it for Android, you are going to have to go to my channel and press wavy text tutorial for iPhone and Android, and then you could come back and then just use what you did on the app and then do the next step. So right now I'm going to be showing you guys what you have to do in order to get your music into the intro in Videostar. So then you would hop on to YouTube to get your music. So what you want to do is search up aesthetic, no copyright or non-copyright music. So what this is important that it says non-copyright is because if you just pick a random song that is copyrighted, your video won't be monetized or it might be taken down. So I recommend not copyright, especially if it's an intro that you're probably going to use for all your videos. So you're going to go ahead and search that. So then you would have all these videos with aesthetic music that are non-copyright. Some videos do just have the music, like the long version, and some videos have the short version just with the name. So if it just has the name, then you would just search it up on YouTube and screen record it, and yeah. I forgot to say, if you are searching it up, which I'm doing right now, Future James is the name of the song. So, and that's the artist. So you would press on the video and screen record it, but you would screen record only the part that has the music you want to use for your intro. So only screen record the part of the song that you're using for your intro. Don't screen record the whole thing because that will just get you more confused once you're editing it. Okay guys, so once you have the audio screen recorded, you should have it saved to your photos. So I am gonna say for the Android version, if you already saw like the video, if you didn't, you should pause right now. But if you did, basically, since we're using this in Videostar, the audio is gonna be like already with the wavy text. But if you're using the other method, you would just easily go to an editing app, put the music, and just like do your intro with the next tips I'm gonna do. So once I'm done with the Videostar step, the other steps are pretty easy for Android. So yeah. So once you are done with screen recording the video or the sound, you're going to press the plus sign, you're going to press landscape and edit video. Then you're going to go ahead and press the video the screen recorded thing you use. So I'm going to use the screen recording. So it doesn't really matter. As long as the sound is there, it doesn't really matter how it looks. So you're just going to press make video and it's going to process it. So once you are done with that, the sound should be right there. So what you're going to do is cut it to where you want each scene to be, depends on the beat of the sound. So here at the beginning, I'm going to cut it here. With how you cut is you press new, and then you would press, not new. You would press edit, and then quick split scene, and then split it, and then you have that part. It's separated to the rest. So once you have that part, you're gonna add new, and then import photo. So you're gonna import the blank screen if you're starting it like that. The blank screen is really optional. If you want to start it with the text at the bat, you can do it, but I rather start it like this. So then here would be like normal, and then I would put the text here. So I would cut it to where I would want the subscribe thing to be. So once that's done, I'm gonna cut it right here. Quick split and split it. Okay, so this is when the wavy text is gonna come in. So you're gonna press new again, and then import photo, and then press the one with your channel name. So you're gonna press done, and that would be processing, and then you are here. So I know it's not really centered. You can center it, of course, but mine isn't really centered because I was doing it fast and I suck at centering it, but you know. So once you are done with that, you're gonna go ahead and press new and re-effect. It will only re-effect for the clip that it has your channel name. So you would just press re-effect, and then it would take you right in here. So then you would want to press the plus sign, and then search up wave. So wave. So there's many waves actually. So if you want to use that wave or this wave, again, you could change how much you want it to wave. But this is not the wave I would use. I use this wave. And if you don't like this wave, there's other waves, I'm pretty sure. But I'm gonna go ahead and find the other wave and update you guys, because I'm trying to find the other wave. So guys, I found the actual effect. The effect is called wave. So that is the effect. So you would just press down and make it as powerful as you want, or as smooth as you want. I'm probably gonna make it this much. So then you would press re-effect and make it through the clip. So once you are done with that, you are gonna do the same for this clip. So this clip is just a subscribe. So I'm gonna press new, import photo, and the subscribe part. Press done. And then you would do the same wave if you want the subscribe to be waved. I like it waved because the whole intro should be waved. And it would be like that. So then you would wait. This intro is kind of long now that I look at it, but it's fine. So this would be your final. So once you have your final result, you are going to, if you want, this is optional, you can add effects into Videostar up. If you're using Videostar, you can add these effects like the color for effects. But if you're on Android, it probably won't work because the app you're using to wave it is not going to work. So I'm not going to add effects in Videostar, but you can add effects to make the intro more cool. But again, I'm going to add effects in a different app. So let's go ahead into the app. Okay guys, so right now I'm showing you my editing apps because now we're done with the basic intro. Right now it's just waved and it looks like we're basically done with the intro. Now we're just gonna add the effects to make it look camcorder, green screen effects and all of that. Now there's many apps you can use for this. Really, I'm gonna be trying to use all the apps for the same intro. So I have this app. You can buy it if you want. I totally recommend this app. Sorry about my voice. I am sick, but the app is called AMM. You could basically add any vintage camera effects with this app. It has so many effects. Again, you can't see them because I have my finger over the camera, but there are a lot of effects. Again, it's not sponsored, but I'm just recommending this app. It costs $3, I'm pretty sure. But it is totally worth it. I use this for my aesthetic vlogs and some of my aesthetic intros. So I'm gonna be using this app for the intro. I might not, but I totally recommend this. But if you do not want to waste money, guys, right after that, if you use the vintage camera, that's great. If you didn't, it's fine. So we're gonna go ahead into the great video for VLLO. We're on VLLO, by the way, and you're gonna press on the intro. So I'm gonna go ahead and press that and press YouTube landscape, and then we have the intro right here. Now, for this app, I do recognize from the comments that it does have a watermark for Android. For iPhone, this is why I haven't said anything, because it doesn't have it for iPhone. But I am aware that VLLO has a watermark, and I'm pretty sure it's quite hard to crop. So I really don't know how to fix this. Again, you can add effects on many other apps such as Pocket Video, but I'm pretty sure that's also only for iPhone. But you can add effects on other apps, I'm pretty sure. But I'm sadly only gonna do this for iPhone. But again, if you know any other editing apps that you could add these effects for Android, go for it. Add the effects to your intro, make it cool. But I am basically done with the most simple part of the intro. So now we're gonna go ahead and add the effects on VLLO. If you're an iPhone user, this should be perfectly fine for you. So the first thing you're gonna do is press motion sticker and then add the sticker. So this app has a bunch of these recording stickers. Do you see this? These are recording stickers. It has a bunch of these. I used one of these for my intro. I'm pretty sure it was this one. This is a really nice one. I also like this one. It's kind of aesthetic too. Some of them are locked. You could also use this. It's kind of vintage. It has a bunch of these. And you could also go for other effects that the app has. Go for it. For this intro, I'm going to use this one because I feel like it goes more with the intro. So you would just make the sticker on for the whole video. See how it will look. You can crop it. Okay, so I'm not feeling this one, so I'm going to go ahead for the other one I have. So I'm going to go ahead and press sticker and this one. I really like this one, but I don't like it to be very... You could also change the color of it if you would like to. I'm probably going to go back to black because I like it like that. But of course you could I'm probably gonna make it less opacity because I don't want it to be a big distraction from the intro. So there it would be. That was really bad grammar. So that would be the intro. So again, I'm gonna show you guys other effects you can add on a different app. So this is basically what I use for it to look like it's a camcorder recording. So I'm gonna be showing you guys how I add stars and glitchy effects. So guys, if we go on to the app, a Pocket Video. This app, I'm pretty sure it's only for iPhone. If it is available for Android, I'm pretty sure it has a watermark, and if it doesn't, go for it. But I really don't know. But if you want green screen effects, and if you have an Android, you could of course use Kinemaster or any other editing apps you feel comfortable using. Again, I will come up with a video for alternatives for Android and all that, because I do seem to struggle finding ways to find for Android, but that will be solved soon. Anyways, this is mostly for iPhone, but since Android already has its normal base, it's fine. So now we're gonna go ahead and press go to the Pocket Video Studio and put in your video that you just saved from VLLO. So once you have that, you would go back here and press video sticker. Now with video sticker, you're gonna go ahead and press add and press YouTube. Now for YouTube, you're gonna go ahead and press search up any green screen effects you want. So for this one, I'm gonna use the basic stars. So glitch star effect. Glitch star green screen effect. but you can also search up green screen effects and find your own for your own intro. Okay, so I'm searching it up, and now a bunch of these are showing up, so I'm gonna use this one and see how it works out. This one is perfect, so I'm gonna go ahead and press done. Now you have to wait for it to load, and it will pop up like this. Try to make the red border fill in the whole thing. I'm gonna press mask and green screen. Now it should be looking like this. You can enlarge it and see how it's working out. So now it seems about right, so we're gonna go ahead and save it. Okay, so I do realize the video, the photo sticker has sound to it, so we're gonna go ahead and make it have no sound, so the song from the intro is actually showing. And that's how it should look on the editing app. So this is basically all you need for the aesthetically pleasing intro. You can add more effects, glitchy effects. Like my intro has way more effects. This is just the basic that makes it look good. So yeah, I'm going to be showing the final product with full volume at the end. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and see you guys on the next one. Bye!
Missing someone.